is goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night with the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me, I've got too much fear.
Sa mga pumili na engagement ring, ito ang yung reading. Tingnan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa inyo. I feel na marami mga tao na talaga nagtatry na gambalain yung inyong relasyon. At nasense ko rin na masakit sa ulo yung energy. Okay, so siguro yung mga taong yan nabibigay sa'yo ng problema at madalas na iniisip mo talaga kung how to break free from these negative people around you. Kasi maraming humahadlang sa inyong relasyon. Anyway, I feel na God is reminding you that if you guys are meant to be, it's meant to be. Kaso kasi guys, kung hindi talaga kayo para sa isa, may mga nangyayari kasi na mga negatibong bagay, okay, na hindi kayo nagkakatuluyan or naghihiwalay kayo kasi maybe it's really, for the best. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. I really sense not meant to be. So, gusto namin ng Diyos na kung ang tao ay hindi para sa'yo, you just going with the flow. Okay, kaysa sa ganyan na lagi kayo namang problema, na mawala yung connection, kasi, okay, maybe you're aware na you're not meant to be with this person. At pinagpipilitan mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. So, kasi guys, okay, if you're holding on to something that's not really destined for you, humahaba kasi yung process. Paano mo matatagpuan yung really the one for you if you keep on holding to the wrong person? So, yun ang gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon, okay? So, I'm sensing here na siguro nangyari is kung sino man yung pinili nyo, baka habulin niya na lalaki or babae at natutukso ka kasi maybe people are saying that you're not actually bagay, okay? Kasi siguro maganda or gwapo or trophy yung iyong partner, hindi kayo nag-resonate. Ngayon naiinis ka kasi yung tao mo, marami siyang admirers or lovers at gusto mo sana na i-keep yung connection mo. So far, ito yung dapat mo matutunan na gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na kung umibig ka, wag ka lang tumingin sana sa kagandahan or kagapuhan. Okay? Kasi nakikita mo naman dito kung ano nangyayari din kapag pinipili mo yung mga taong ganyan. And of course, may mga tao din na manunukso sa'yo because they could be aware na minahal mo yung isang tao or pinili mo dahil sa kanilang angking ganda or kagapuhan. So, gusto sana ng Panginoon na, if ever this is somebody for you, hindi ka mag-aalala. Kahit habang nasa work ka, you will know that this person is really looking at you and you to him or her, okay? May loyalty doon. Kasi kung hindi siya yung para sa'yo, talagang nafe-feel mo na kailangan mo mag-alala sa connection and so on. Kasi parte yun ng toxicity, guys. Yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi na yung matatawag na sabihin mo na pagkakampante sa connection kung ganun kasi yun nangyayari, okay? So, God wants you to know kung ano man na stable na meron ka sa ngayon is only the work but not with regards sa relationship dahil patuloy na ganito yung energy. Siguro madalas ka nagtatalo with your person because of the reason that this person is very attractive and marami talaga na may gusto sa kanya. At hindi lang yun, nagsasahin din yun ng away sa inyong barkada kapag natutukso ka na you're just after this person's beauty or I feel na it's kind of like a passion energy, okay? So, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Diyos na, mas mabuti na mag-isa ka or maging single kasi lagi mong problemahin yung about sa situation mo. Hindi rin nagustuhan ng Panginoon yung pagpapanggap mo na okay yung connection nyo when in reality, there's always fighting and argument that's happening there. So, doon pa lang malalaman mo na hindi kayo suwak sa isa't isa dahil din, yung tao mo siguro ay hindi siya yung tipong tao na loyal sa'yo. Because on your end, you're loyal to this person, pinili mo siya, pero maraming ang problema sa inyong connection, okay? Maybe you're just pushing it because maybe there's promises that happen between you and your person. Ang sasabihin sa inyo ng Panginoon na darating ang panahon na mag-ending yung inyong relasyon. Kaya mo masyadong i-push na, kayo pa rin and so on. Kaya napulos away na, toxicity yung meron sa inyong relationship. As I told you, there is a third-party situation here na mangyayari. Kaya mawawala yung inyong tao. Because with the open being here, yung tao mo hindi siya loyal sa'yo. This is somebody that keep in a third-party situation, keep you as an option, okay? Kasi you keep on chasing after him or her. So, siguro na-expect mo na there is really loyalty in your relationship. So, we got engagement ring. It says your engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity, completion, and union. So, yung gusto sabihin ng Panginoon is magkakaroon ng endings with the completion being here. Kasi yung completion sa akin, yung parang 10 sa cards, okay? Kasi yung 10 is kinda like ending so that there will be another cycle, okay? So, I will say that there will be endings sa inyong relationship. Okay, for you to be in union with the right person. Kasi, minamalas ka dito dahil nga kailangan mo nang umalis sa connection. Kasi logi ka, hindi mo nakikita kung sino yung talaga yung tao para sa'yo. Dahil patuloy ka na po-focus sa someone na hindi naman talaga meant sa'yo. So, next time around, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na huwag ka mamimili just because of their looks, okay? Kasi mapapansin din naman ng mga tao kung ano talaga yung habol mo sa inyong relasyon. Anyway, so we have this one in reverse. So, whether you like it or not, mag-ending yung inyong relasyon. We also have the last. So, yeah, it will end. So, we have the dream here. So, maybe you're dreaming about it already na mag-ending yung connection kasi it's really destined to happen. So, you may find the right partner for you that you can trust because first of all, in your reading, I don't really feel na you trust this person. Maybe because of the reason that you kinda like aware that he or she keeps on flirting around. So, we have the heart here. We also have Phoenix in either way. So, gusto sabihin ng Diyos na if ever you're wishing na umangat yung connection nyo, I really feel na paulit-ulit na minamalas. Okay, with the Phoenix being here, kahit nasabihin natin na love mo yung taong ito, kasi hindi ko naman nasa-sense dito sa energy na may love doon. I feel like you're just keeping this person because he or she is kinda like a trophy at saka may pagmamalaki mo na sa angking ganda or kagapuhan. Pero, hindi kasi yung sapat ng basehan, guys, about the true love that really matters. Yun yung dapat mo matutunan. Kasi guys, kung di mo matutunan yun, paulit-ulit din na ganito yung mangyayari sa inyong buhay, na after this connection, magmamahal ka na naman, na maganda or gwapo, ulit na naman yung same situation. So, gusto sanang sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag mo tatong ulitin yung ganitong patterns. Kasi napapatagal yung growth mo, napapatagal na mahanap mo sana yung true love na dapat sa inyo. Kasi yung connection mo is full of toxicity na. Okay? So, God is wanting you to release yourself from something that is giving you toxicity. We have the special here. We also have this one here. Kasi, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, yung true love, guys, ito is something na special, something na if you feel mo na magiging okay yung lahat at hindi ka na mag-aalala na may kukuha sa inyong tao because you know to yourself that this person didn't give you any hard time, okay, at hindi ka na problema dahil siya ay loyal sa'yo. So you have this one in either way. Umiwas ka rin daw sa mga gold diggers. And we also have this one in reverse. Gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na hindi actually nagbabago yung inyong love situationship. Kundi mo siya papagawalan. Kaya yung susi mo ay naka-reverse kasi hindi mo ma-unlock yung the person for you talaga kasi patuloy ka nag-iisip na dapat yung karelasyon mo ay maganda or gwapo or may pagmamalaki mo talaga sa inyong kapwa. Iwasan nyo rin yung brag posting attitude, guys. Kasi guys, kung may ganun kayo na attitude na kung ano nangyari sa inyong buhay, pinopost mo, ma-addict ka talaga na magmalaki. Okay, ganyan din kasi naging perspective mo na dapat ipagmalaki mo yung iyong person. Hindi naman dapat ganun. So, there should be love. There should be, you have to realize importansya rin na magandang ugali, okay? At saka loyalty is what I sense. Very important, guys, and trust sa connection. Kasi I don't really feel that there is trust sa relationship. Kasi alam mo na yung tao mo, you know, ay parang ahas na paligid-ligid na nagpa-flirt kung kani-kanino. Alam kong harsh ang reading nyo, but you really have to actually listen to what God wants for you. Para umiwas na kayo sa ganitong pattern, okay? At saka nakita ko lang kasi dito na something na mag-i-stay is only your work, okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, yun nga, umiwas ka na sa tao na talagang toxic sa iyong buhay. Kasi first of all, you're not really feeling that your cups is full. Kaya, I really feel na ito siguro din nararamdaman ng inyong tao. Kaya patuloy siya naghahanap ng iba kasi feeling niya may kulang sa inyong relasyon. Kasi kahit nasabihin mo na mahal mo yung tao na to and so on, maybe kasi hindi niya na-feel na ikaw yung kanyang minamahal or wala siya nararamdaman sa'yo. Parang nandun lang siya because of your money, as you can see here. Okay? So, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na kahit nasabihin natin na meron na kayong promises sa isa't isa, hindi kasi ibig sabihin no, na this will last forever. Lalo na hindi kayo balance or hindi mo ramdam na siya talaga yung para sa'yo. At saka I really feel here with regards sa money concerns, maybe siya rin yung dahilan kung ba't nagkakaroon ka ng issue sa pera. So gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Diyos and this time around, you really have to be wiser this time. Wag ikaw yung tao na nakabase lang dahil sa ganda or kagapuhan. You really have to be wise in your choices in your life, okay? At I'm feeling here na babaliktad din yung mangyayari sa inyong relasyon. Meaning na mawawala yung connection na yan kasi God is wanting you to choose somebody na mabuti. Piliin mo yung tao na mamahalin mo dahil siya ay mabuti. At hindi dahil sa kanyang kagapuhan or kagandahan. And with the justice being in reverse here, so makaramdam ka ng unjust sa connection dahil sa mga distortion na meron sa inyong connection. So anyway, that's it guys with your reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili ng Girl with a Snake, ito niya reading. So anyway, tinan natin kung ano yung mensahe ng Diyos para sa inyo. I feel na meron mga ahas sa inyong paligid. Like behind the scenes that you're not even aware of, kaya gusto sana inform sa inyo ng Panginoon about it, okay? At nagkakaroon ng distortion dahil napapaligiran ka ng mga ahas. I feel like also karma reading energy. Pero tinan natin kung anong klaseng karma guys, okay? Kasi I don't really feel like it has to do with you. So, okay, so far gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na pinoprotektahan ka niya sa mga ahas, okay? Kasi you are there to inspire them to go towards the right direction by your good example. Kaya ka napaligiran ng ganitong klase mga tao, so far binibigyan ka ng strength ng Panginoon to be there, okay? To be a light towards His people na talagang malayo sa Panginoon. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. You could be a preacher, guys. To be honest with you, if ever not a preacher, maybe by your own doings, okay? You're showing people the right direction. You're inspiring them to be a good person. So, gusto yung paalam sa inyo ng Diyos kung ano yung mission dito sa mundong ito. Kaya siguro madalas mo na feel na bakit ganito, pulos ahas na lang, and so on. Kasi that is your mission work to direct them towards the right path. If ever you wasn't able to influence them, it's not your fault, guys, because on your end, you really did what you need to do. I-clarify natin. So, I'm sensing the song on the same ground. Kasi I feel that will be the future of these people once that you're not there anymore for them. Ma-realize sila yung worth mo. I feel na lalabas ang katotohanan about them someday. That they are definitely haters at hindi sila supportive sa mga tao. So far, you're being protected from these wrong people. Kasi I'm feeling as well na dapat iwasan mo yung masyado ka maging close sa kanila. Kasi first of all, they are not the type of person like you are. You're just there guiding them towards the right direction. Yung gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na masyado kang mapagmahal to the point that even these bad people, you know, minamahal mo. Even if they don't really deserve it, okay? Gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na doon sa grupo na nandun ka, maybe it's about collections and so on, pinanatili kayo ng Panginoon doon to express how to care. Kasi I feel na naiyak yung Panginoon kasi maraming mga tao na naligaw na landas doon sa grupo na yun. And you're somebody that's genuinely loving, pero kasi mag-ingat kayo kasi baka yung sa kanila, ginagamit ka na lang. Okay? Hindi talaga love ang nafe-feel mo doon. So, make sure that, you know, you are actually distancing. Huwag mo masyadong maging ganito sana. Huwag ganito na masyado kang clingy, masyado mong parang, what we call this, parang dinidibdib mo yung isang bagay na akala mo is para sa'yo. So, kasi mas masakit guys kung ma-realize mo na sila pala ay ahas. Because I don't really feel that this person definitely care. All that they care is about themselves. All that they care is about money, fortune, and so on, or can be power even. Ngayon, na-meet mo sila kasi ikaw yung tao na mabuti. Okay, sila yung tao na toxic at nagbe-brainwash sa mga tao. Kaya nafe-feel mo rin siguro na parang walang patutunguhan yung connection dahil first of all, they shouldn't be a part of your life. You're just there to guide them towards the right direction kasi nakakalimutan na nila yung Panginoon. Masyado silang focus sa kanilang goal with regards sa 3D realm, sa career, sa reputasyon, and so on. At ikaw kasi nag-guide sa kanila ng actually pagmamahal. Kasi I'm sensing na siguro ito na yung mga tao na nasilaw sa pera, sa kayamanan, sa belongings, and so on, sa power din. Kaya nakalimutan na nila yung Panginoon. So, anyway, these people are destined to come back to you if ever nagkaroon ng ending sa inyong connection dahil first of all, di sila nagbago, toxic na sila, naiwasan mo na sila. nila, darating ang time na hanap-hanapin kasi nila yung ganitong energy na mapagmahal, mapag-aruga. Kasi mangyari dito guys is, makakatagpo sila ng mga tao na kagaya nila at ma-realize sila na hindi pala maganda yung pag-uugali din nila. Kasi may mga tao nagmi-mirror din sa kanilang ugali. So we got a girl with a snake. It says here, empath and narcissistic paradigm, being charmed or used, enable and boundaries. So anyway, nagtagpo kayo ng mga taong ito because you need to learn how to set healthy boundaries na rin. If ever they cross beyond the line here, yung ibig sabihin lang nun is that they are actually using you na. Okay? And I'm sensing na dahil nga hindi na sila maganda para sa iyong buhay kasi natotoxic ka na at saka naapektuhan na yung mental health mo, nilalayo ka na ng Panginoon sa mga ganitong tao. Kaya gusto sana ng Panginoon na iwasan mo yung masyadong attachment sa kanila. Kasi masyado kang masasaktan sa oras na inihiwalay ka na ng Panginoon sa mga taong yan. At saka I really feel here yung importansya talaga ng pag-aalis din sa'yo sa mga bagay na yan in order for you to find the right people for you that will balance out, that will really resonate with you. Hindi naman, hindi naman buong panahon mo dito sa mundong ito, makakapili mo lagi ay mga ahas for them to be guided towards the right path. May darating din na panahon na ipapakita sa'yo ng Panginoon yung talagang mga tao na nag-resonate sa'yo. So, I feel na some of you, this could be about with regards sa yung work situation na feeling mo kasi ikaw na lang yung mabuti doon, ikaw na lang yung upright at saka kaya ka nalulungkot, okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na may lalayo ka niya sa mga taong yan someday kasi hindi na nga yan healthy for your for your great being, guys, okay? For peace of mind even. So, we got every day is Valentine's Day. So, ang swerte ng mga tao na to sa iyong buhay, guys, kasi they feel every day is Valentine's Day. Like, they feel that you are loved. Sorry, guys. They feel like you love them, okay? Yun yung nafe-feel nila. And we got this one in easier way. So, lumalambot yung kanilang puso sa tuwing nararamdaman nila yung pagmamahal mo. Kasi pinipilit sila ng Panginoon na umiwas sa paggawa ng masama at ma-inspire sa pagiging mabuting tao. Because this is somebody that they miss out in their life na magkaroon sana ng panahon for contemplation kasi masyado na silang focus to actually reach their goals and their dreams. But it is more on the 3D realm, the career stuff and reputation. Okay, na nakakalimutan na nila yung Panginoon. Tsaka yun nga, pera na lang ang nasa isip nila. So you have the code in easier way. So these people are heartless, to be honest with you. Hindi siguro yung nararamdaman mo kaya na-sense mo yung pagka-toxicity kasi feeling mo ikaw na lang yung may pakialam, okay? So yun nga, panihikayat mo sila na maging mabuting tao kasi may tendency naman sila na iwanan nila yung pagiging deceitful nila and with the police being here. So, I'm really sensing that you are somebody who is actually gifted with lots of things in your life because of the reason that you are one of those people that are called by heaven to give change in this world. And yung mission mo, is by you being you, a good person, you're inspiring people to be good as well, okay? So, bridge is in reverse here. We also have the special in easier way. So, they want you to know that you are really special in the eyes of God. To be honest with you. So, we got a curse in reverse. Kung sakali man may magka-curse sa'yo, hindi masyadong tumatalab yan. Because first of all, you're being protected by heaven from these negative people. Okay? So, anyway, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Diyos, hindi magtatagal yung relasyon mo with these toxic people that's around you. So, sana wag kang masyadong maging attached sa bagay na yan. So, let's see what else. I don't know why, but I sense karma reading. Ba karma na yung bibigay nila sa iyo sa kasunod. So, gusto sana yung paalam ng Diyos na naunawaan ka naman niya. Kung bakit attached ka sa mga tao yan, baka kasi may memories ka with these people. Okay? I really feel na their past is falling off. Kaya mo siguro nalalaman unti-unti na sila ay toxic. At hindi talaga kagaya mo na mabuti. Siguro there's some point na napabago mo sila. Pero nung, sa isang idlap lang, naging ganun uli sila. Okay? Anyway, so let's see what else do we have here. So yun nga, ikaw yung tao na talaga nag-guide sa kanila. Pero kasi guys, ito yung mga tao na hindi nila binitiwan yung masama nilang pag-uugali. At nagsisinungaling sila, as you can see here. So maybe you're somebody that's really authentic. And they are not like you. That's what God wants you to know. So since you're aware that they are not actually truthful, so you really have to distance yourself from believing on them or believing on their lies. Maybe you're somebody na talagang hindi sinungaling, kaya na-expect mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, wag din magsinungaling. Hindi naman kasi ganun yun, guys. Okay? Remember that not everyone is like you. Kahit sabihin natin na yung naturuan naman sila sa schools ng mga magulang na wag magsinungaling and so on. Kasi guys, depende na lang yan sa mga tao kung pipiliin nila na i-save yung ganong virtue. Actually guys, bihira na lang talaga yung mga mabubuting tao sa mundong ito at yan yung realidad. Okay, which is sad, okay? So, yung mga taong yan, dahil masyado silang focus sa work, nakakalimutan na nila yung Panginoon, nakalimutan nila na maging mabuting tao, mawawalan sila ng trabaho, as we can see here, at magkakaroon ng timing, na mawawalan sila din ng pera, as you can see here. Because sa pera na yan, kaya sila, feeling nila, powerful sila, and so on. And yun nga, mababagsak sila. So, siguro prideful sila, guys. Yan ang masasabi ko. Kasi, yun yung masakla pag ikaw ay prideful. Yung karma mo talaga is kung anong meron ka ay mawawala. Okay? Pipilitin ka ng Panginoon na maging humble. So, dahil sa, may nangyari sa kanilang buhay, darating yung panahon na, baka sila dumistansya sa'yo at saka sa mga tao. Kasi yun, nawawalan nga sila ng money, nawalan sila ng work, at saka wala silang may pagmalaki, kaya bigla sila magbabago at mapapansin mo na magiging introvert yung extrovert, okay? Kasi malungkot sila. So, yung masaklap din dito, guys, okay? Kung meron man silang lover, mawawala din yan, lalo na kung yung lover nila, minahal sila dahil sa kayamanan, as you can see here. Okay, so may malungkot sila. So that's also the reason why there's a possibility na dahil nadama nila yung pagmamahal mo, guys, pagka bumalik sila sa inyo, not because they want your money, but because they want someone to talk with. Dahil wala sila makausap na maayos, and they kinda like aware that you are in this loving energy. Okay, so wala din sila actually mapagkatiwalaan na kaibigan or mga tao na relatives para makausap. So, kaya yung mga tao na to lalapit sa'yo just to talk to you because they are humbled by heaven. As we can see here, yun nga, yung trabaho yung nawala. So you can see. So hindi siguro napapansin mo ba't nawala sila sa group and so on, or bilang nag-disable ng Facebook kasi natatakot sila ma-discover na mga tao na nawala yung mga bagay na meron sila. Okay, so if you're feeling sorry about these people, so karma reading na yung energy niyan. So, I hope, guys, that this may give you some insight and awareness about your surroundings. So, make sure that you put your walls up against these people, Hindi lahat ng mga tao ay kagaya mo. That's also what you need to realize. But also trust the divine that who knows, maybe someday you may find someone like you. na magiging friend mo talaga at ka-close. So, bibigyan ka naman ng panahon ng Panginoon to identify those people that really resonates with you. And I just hope that you learned your lessons na distansya mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, you know, you are having this calling na you're directing people towards the right path. Kaya you're really prone to people na mga ahas. Kagaya ng kung sino yung nasa reading mo. Okay? So, I feel it's okay na mahalin mo sila, pakita mo sa kanila yung true love, yung caring energy, because that's what they need to learn from you. Okay? So, walang sobra, just be you is what I'm going to suggest. Okay? And that's it, guys, and God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili ng Paradise card, ito niya reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mensahe ng Panginoon para sa inyo. I feel na kaya siguro ito yung pinili mong card kasi mukhang maganda, okay? So, I will say pagpipili kayo ng cards, guys, yung felt wrong lang kayo. Wag dahil sa maganda yung card and so on. Kasi baka di mag-resonate sa inyo. So, siguro, iba sa'yo naghahanap ng bakasyon, okay? Kasi gusto nyo magpahinga. Okay, dahil sa puno ng kamalasan. So, kaya siguro kayo nandito because of the reason that, you know, you're overwhelmed by what's going on around you. Actually, nagsimula yung mga ingay nung ginawa ko yung inyong reading. Pinahulog pa yung cards natin. Baka kasi may meaning yan, okay? Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. Kasi sana sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na umiwas ka sa mga tao na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay. Distansya lang is what I sense. Kung alam mong toxic sila, huwag mong pagpilitan yung sarili mo sa kanila. May mga dahilan ng Panginoon kung bakit hinihiwalay ka niya sa mga tao. Kasi I really feel na hindi mo talaga sila ka-vibe. At saka para din yun sa ikabubuti mo para makahanap ka ng mga tao na talagang nag-resonate sa iyong vibe, okay? So, anyway, hindi mo kasi, feeling ko hindi mo ka-soul tribe yung mga nasa paligid mo. So, iwasan mo to na mag-try to gain attention from these people because first of all, you know, hindi ka naman nila pinapakinggan kasi siguro na sobra na sila ng pride and so on. So, dumistansya ka sa kanila. Kasi I'm sensing na yung mga taong yan, as I told you, hindi sila nakikinig sa inyo. At ito yung gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na yung mga tao na yan, if ever you consider them as your friends, they don't consider you as part of their group. That's the reason why hindi ka nila pinapakinggan. And masaklap dito kasi you are a loving person to this person, but yet they are just using you. Iwasan mo rin mag-people please just to get attention kasi ikaw din yung mahihirapan yan. So, kaya mo pagpilitan yung sarili mo sa mga maling tao. Yung gawin mo na lang guys, mag-focus na lang kayo sa trabaho nyo. Okay? And don't actually force them or to guide them to be close to you. Kasi kung yung tao talaga mahal ka, kung yung tao talaga ay talagang caring sa'yo, you know, they will be coming to you, listening to you, and being with you. Kasi in the first place, kung binabaliwala ka nila, ibig sabihin yan, you know, they don't consider you as part of their circle. Next in that we got is this one. So with regards to connections, you're still lost. You don't know whom really is the right people for you. So, I'm sensing na kayo nangyari yung kamalasan. Like, let's say, meron kayong meet-up and so on. Nangyayari is napipigilan yung meet-up na yan. May mga nangyari mga bagay-bagay na hadlang. Kasi guys, it's for the best. Okay? Kasi mga tao na yan, di naman sila nakafocus sa iyo eh. Sa ibang bagay sila nakafocus. Baka nakafocus lang yan sa mga tao na angat. Siguro meron silang, you know, mata pobre na attitude, na mataas ang tingin nila sa mga taong angat. Pag mababa ka na, hindi ka na nila papansinin. So, sana, iwasan mo yung ganitong energy. Okay? ka masyadong mag-seek ng attention sa kanila. And anyway, we have the paradise here. It says happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other. So ito sana yung gusto mong maramdaman na magkaroon ka ng group of friends. At I really feel na matagal mo na yung pangarap kasi maybe you're actually wishing na sana may makasama akong barkada sa beach, sa mga events and so on. Pero kasi nangyari dito, hindi ka nila pinapansin. Baka kasi yung tingin nila sa status mo na sa mababa ka pa lang and so on. Kaya hindi ka nila naaruga. Okay, kasi feeling nila you're not a part of their team. May mga tao kasi yan, I feel na may pagka-believe sila sa sarili nila. Masyadong prideful yung energy. Okay, so I feel na kaya kami namalas sa kaibigan kasi maybe you're actually wanting to belong to something that you don't really belong. And we got a joke. So your friendship is just a joke. Copies in either way. And maybe, nangyari dito guys, baka kasi kinokopya mo na kung ano sila. So huwag niyong kopyahin. Okay, kasi first of all, hindi ko nasi-sense na nasa mabuti sila. Masyado na sila naging prideful to the point na hindi na sila tumitingin sa mga tao na they see lowly. We also have this one. So, yun nga, nasasaktan kayo sa reality. Hugs to all of you. I know that this reading is harsh, but you really need to open your eyes to the truth, guys. Kasi with the best of friends in reverse, so first of all, ito yung naisip nila na hindi ka nila friend, okay? Kung kinukonsidera mo sila as a friend, iba yung tingin kasi nila sa'yo. And you're divinely guided to walk away from these people, as we can see here, and just to focus on your work. So, you have the love in reverse kasi guys, hindi ka naman nila love. Okay, to the beginning, siguro naramdaman mo na yun kasi mataas ang tingin nila sa sarili nila and they want to be with people that are rich. If ever you are poor, they will not actually lend you their ears. So, you also have the betray here and we got this yes in reverse. So, they're saying no to you and that is the way that they betray you. Okay, na iniwasan ka nila. Kasi nga ang baba ng tingin nila sa inyo. And I feel that, feeling kasi nila mataas sila at nasa mababa ka. So, anyway, let's see what else we have here. So, sabi nila magtiwala ka sa Panginoon na makakatagpo ka rin ng mga tao na kagaya mo. Gusto lang ng Panginoon na lumayo ka sa mga taong yan kasi hindi na okay sa'yo na hindi ka pinapakinggan at behind the scenes, they could be gossiping about you as well. Hindi ka kasi nila nire-respeto. At hindi mo naman deserve yun kasi first of all, di ko naman na-feel dito na masama kayo. I feel na sa future, makakatagpo ka ng mga tao na kagaya mo. Okay, on the same vibration as you are. Okay, wag mo na lang pansinin yung mga taong ito. If ever they are on social media, guys, might as well magbago na lang kayo ng page or ng inyong social media account. So, anyway, ito yung mensahe ng Panginoon. So, yun nga, umiwas ka sa mga taong yan. Kasi, bigay ka ng bigay ng energy mo, ng pagmamahal mo. Pero kasi mga taong yan, feeling kasi nila sa kakabigay mo yan, nire-respeto mo sila. Feeling nila sila ay hari at reyna na sinusunod-sunod mo. Hindi nila nafe-feel na kaibigan ka nila. Okay? So, they're really toxic there. So, ito yung masakit. Okay? Kasi, with the moon in being in reverse here, so, lalabas yung katotohanan na ganun yung trato nila sa inyo para na lang made or para na lang, para ka magpagkumbaba sa kanila, parang bang feeling nila sinasamba mo sila, kaya binibigyan-bigyan mo sila ng mga bagay-bagay, pinapamper mo. So, lumayo ka na lang sa kanila, guys. So, mong palakihin yung kanilang ulo. So, tulad na sabi ng Panginoon na darating ang panahon, makakatagpo ka rin ng mga tao talaga na balance sa'yo. Nare-respetuhin ka talaga. So, umiwas ka sa kanila dahil sinungaling sila. Maybe they could be, keeping you stuck because they say something. Siguro, sinabi nila sa'yo na parte ka ng grupo and so on. But in reality kasi, hindi ka nila pinapansin. Okay? Yung focus nila is yung mga tao talaga na tingin nila ay ka-level nila at saka, sa mata nila ay kaibigan nila. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung karma ng mga taong ganyan na may pagkamata-pobre yung attitude. I feel na nagkahari-harian sila, guys, okay? And dahil doon, I feel that they will receive the consequences of their actions because they need to be humbled. And I feel that God wants you to be patient, okay? Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, nagsisimula yung ingay sa inyong reading. So, anyway, ito yung karma nila. So, mawalan sila ng actually options as you can see here. With regards sa love life, baka kasi yung lover nila, ginagamit lang sila sa kayamanan at ganun din sa iba nilang mga relationship na friendship, okay? So, malulungkot sila dahil dito, dahil hindi nila naramdaman yung tunay na pagmamahal sa mga tao na yan. Kasi kagaya nila, status lang kasi yung focus nila. So, may mangyayari na hiwalayan sa group na yun, as you can see, kasi mawawalan na sila ng passion, or may mga tao na mawawalan ng passion to actually serve them or love them because of the reason that they're so prideful and they're so arrogant, okay? So, I'm sensing with this one as well. So, yung iba sa kanila hindi magbabagong buhay, patuloy na maging bossy, and so on. Kaya mangyayari, guys, pag hindi sila nagbagong buhay, mangyayari sa kanila is mawawala yung kanilang money or magkakaroon ng imbalance sa kanilang buhay. Hindi sila magiging successful at dahil doon hindi sila magiging masaya kasi pinapadama sa kanila ng Panginoon yung pakiramdam kapag ikaw ay nasa mababa. Kasi first of all, naging nasobra na sila sa pagka-prideful at saka feeling nila mataas sila sa ibang tao. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, may mga nagbe-betray sa kanila at saka mapapaaway sila dahil dito sa betrayal na yan, okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys. I really feel like they're also surrounded by snakes at hindi talaga mapagkakatiwalaan yung nasa paligid, okay? I feel na isa rin sa reason ko ba't sila mapapabagsak kasi maybe they're dealing with people that are deceitful, okay? And na-feel ko rin masakit sa truth yung energy neto kasi I feel na meron siguro behind the scenes na may nagsasabi na hindi maganda about them, okay? And those are from deceitful people that's around them, kaya sila mapapaaway. At saka magkakaroon sila ng haters, okay? So anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your surroundings. And God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili ng passion card dito in your reading, tingnan natin kung may mensahe sa inyo ng Panginoon. I feel this one is about your connection. Okay, and so far naman, okay naman yung relationship mo with your lover. At medyo may pagkalungkot lang sa energy, okay? Baka kasi, baka kasi hindi tanggapin ng mga tao sa bahay ninyo yung inyong lover. Kahit sabihin natin may love naman sa isa't isa. Really forgive about the noises kasi may construction sa kapitbahay. Anyway, i-clarify natin yung cards. So, nabutan tayo ng construction sa inyong reading. Pasensya na po. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. Really feel na mabuti kayong tao at saka mapag-aruga at ganun din yung tao nyo sa inyo. I feel na pagkakalooban ka ng Diyos ang biyaya I feel ng pagkain at pera, okay? Para malayo ka sa tao sa paligid. Kasi I don't really feel na yung mga tao supportive sa iyo, pati na rin yung lover mo. Gusto sana sabihin ng Panginoon na sa ngayon, you have to invest on the right things and save the money for the future. Okay? At I feel na ang Diyos ang bahala sa inyo. Oh, this is nice, okay? Yung gusto sabihin sa inyo ng Diyos with regards naman sa inyong trabaho, it's kind of like will be something na balance sa inyong buhay at ang bibigay sa inyo ng kayamanan so that you and your lover will get married or magkakaroon kayo ng pagbubukod away from these people that are against your connection. At magkakaroon din kayo ng anak, maybe accidental babies, what I feel here. I feel na kung mangyari man yan, it has to happen because of the reason that, you know, hindi nila tatanggapin yung partner mo kung walang baby, okay? I feel na maiyak ka dahil doon and that's the reason why you will force yourself away from these people. So ngayon pala sinasabihan ka na ng Diyos about this to prepare you from the big changes that will happen in your life. I feel like it's really for the best because of the reason that yung mga tao sa paligid mo gusto sana nila for you is someone na may status and so on. Siguro yung lover mo wala ng mga ganyang bagay and they could be forcing you to marry someone else which is not really good because of the reason na lumayo ka na sa material na bagay o sa mga tao talaga na iniisip lang ay pera at kung ano-ano man, okay? Next that we have is this one. Kasi mga tao sa paligid mo ay naging gahaman sa pera and they are expecting their people, you know, their relatives to have a connection. Sana, you know, kasal sila sa mayaman at hindi sa somebody na bibigyan ng problema yung pamilya and so on. So, kaya nangyari niyan, hindi naman talaga sila into your person. That's what God wants you to know. Because of the reason that this person needs to be in their level. Yun yung gusto sana nila. Hindi nila pinapansin yung pagmamahalan ninyo. Yung gusto sana nila, yung tao mo ay may na-achieve. Okay? So, I feel here, kahit tinatawag ka ng Panginoon na ngayon pala mag-save ka na ng pera para maalis ka sa mga tao na ganito yung mindset. Kasi first of all, kung sino man yung karelasyon mo, may love naman doon. Hindi ka naman niya minahal dahil din sa iyong kayamanan. I feel na talagang genuinely na nagmamahalan kayong dalawa. So, maraming ingay sa inyong reading. Ibig sabihin siguro na maraming against sa inyong relationship. So, you have the passion here. It says, insane chemistry, like each other equally, and having fun. So, ito yung maganda sa connection mo na talagang, you know, you are passionate about this because of the reason na, you know, maganda yung inyong connection. Talagang, you know, swak kayo sa isa't isa, tsaka nag-enjoy kayong dalawa, at tsaka talagang may chemistry. Okay, magkasundo. Kaya ayaw mo na siyang pakawalan kahit nasabihin natin na hindi naman siya trip na inyong pamilya. I feel like they have to respect your choices is what I sense. So maybe that is a test for them at saka to inspire them na sana hindi lang sila nakatingin sa status sa mga tao. So, we have our gateway. So, kung sasabihin sa inyo ng Diyos na bubukod kayo sa inyong pamilya. So, you have the keys in either way. We also have this, create your own happiness in either way. And we also have the changes, okay? Kung pinili mo yung inyong tao, guys, and there will be changes that will happen, like you will distance yourself from your own family, and action is in reverse here. We also have the timing here in either way. So, ngayon pa lang gusto sabihin ng Diyos na hinahanda kayo to take an action. Okay, hindi naman niya sinabi na ora mismo ganito yung gagawin mo. Gusto niya sabihin sa'yo na dapat mag-save ka na ng pera since ito yung mangyayari sa future na lalayo ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. You also have the use in either way and red flag in reverse. If ever, nagwa-wonder ka kung yung tao mo ay manggagamit, I will say no. Hindi manggagamit yung tao mo kasi first of all, there's no red flag about your person. So you have this one in either way. And we also have the 7 here. So, I feel here na yung mga tao sa paligid mo, masama tingin nila sa inyong lover. And with a betray being here, and we got abuse in either way. I think that they are being tested by heaven. Kasi I'm feeling na itong mga tao na to, mahalaga sa kanila yung status. Hindi mahalaga sa kanila yung ugali ng tao. So, I think meron din darating na time wherein, mapakapansin sila ng abuse sa kanilang buhay at makikita nila yung halaga or importansya ng tao na mabuti sa kanilang buhay. Kasi if yun ay mangyari sa kanila is may tao na magbe-betray sa kanilang buhay. Okay, tsaka maging awaken sila na hindi lahat ng tao na nasa status ay mabuti. May mga tao na deceitful. So anyway, let's see what else we have here. I'm sensing kinda like a karma reading. I feel na kapag hindi ka nila tinanggap and your lover, okay, yung karma nila. I feel na gagamitin sila ng tao na mapagsamantala sa kanilang buhay, okay? So, anyway, yung karma nila, siguro ganito sila, bitter sila dahil, marami silang kayamanan as we can see here. So, kala nila okay yung lahat, pero behind the scenes, they're actually losing money because of their circle. At saka maiyak na lang sila dahil sa isang idlap, mawawala yung kayamanan nila dahil they trusted people that have money, that have this wealth and everything. At yung pala ay deceitful na yung taong yan, siya yung dahilan ba't nawawala ng pera. Baka ka-partner nila sa negosyo or baka taong napagkatiwalaan nila ng pera, yung pala ninanakawan sila ng pera behind the scenes, okay? And that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.